Matilda. Matilda is dismayed, or she was dismayed, when she found out it would take 2 workers 3 days to do 6 jobs. All right, so we need to think about this some kind of way. So I'm going to say, in this situation, we have 6 jobs. And 6 jobs seems like a lot. But if you have 2 workers, maybe it's not as bad as if you had 1 worker. So the 2 workers would kind of take away from the 6 jobs a little bit. It's better than just you know, if there's 2 workers, that's better. And you have 3 days, so I'm going to say times 3 days. You know, the more days you have, the less the job seems intimidating, right? If you have 6 jobs for 3 days, you know, 2 jobs a day, that's not so bad. I don't know what you're doing, but whatever, there's some job that you're doing. And I guess it doesn't take all day. And you have 2 workers, so they can, in the morning, I guess they can do 1 job. So that's not so bad, right? But she's dismayed, so she hired 4 more workers. So we're going to say this situation is like or equal to a situation where she still has 6 jobs, but now she hired 4 more workers. So 2 plus 4 is 6. So I'm going to say 6 workers. And we don't know how many days. It's going to change the amount of days, right? If she has more workers, it should be fewer days because it's the same number of jobs, right? The jobs don't change. The workers go up, so the days should go down, right? If you change the workers and the jobs, then you wouldn't know which way you're going. You could still find out, but you wouldn't know. Now we know we have more workers. If they work at the same rate, the days should go down. They might get a little more lazy because there's more people, but let's hope they all still work hard, or whatever they were doing before. And how do we find this days, B for days that we don't know? Well, we multiply the top and the bottom like this, the extremes. So we say 6 times 6 is 36. Oh yeah, I don't know D, so it's 36D. Is equal to the bottom over here times the top over there. So 2 times 3 is 6, times 6 is 36 for that. So you see I'm multiplying the top times the bottom, and the bottom times the top. And I get this equation and I say, I'm pretty sure I know what D is. If I divide both sides by 36, 36, I get D is equal to 1 day. So since she hired these extra workers, she doesn't need 3 days, she just has 1 day and it's all done. Yay. Okay? So I'm going to give you a scenario, and you're going to write it down, you know, some kind of way that makes sense. And then you're going to equal it to a change. Of course, we're going to change it, and you're going to have to find out, you know, how does this affect the thing I don't know about. So let's go ahead and have you do that. Did I record that?